The timing of God is perfect. When God promised He will do it, He will do it. I remember in 2016, we got a prophecy about a company that we should start. And lo and behold, when you go on to CIPC or any platform where you have to register your company, if your company name, you have it already, and you don't find it, that prophetic word is in vain. You already feel, that word is not from God. But the prophecy came out, it will be R&R Trading. Miskat? And R&R Trading was hoe sê mens, geregistered probably a few months after that prophecy, isn't it? It was a tough one. But God's timing is perfect. And I'm not saying we make a lot of money with R&R. No. We don't. But we do make something. I mean, there's sometimes when the month is long and this thing is helping us to have that small bit. It's not making money. But I can tell you, it's helping us sometimes. So I'm going to go to the next one, which is number 9.